It's here. I called High Reach and ordered the biggest boom lift that they had. Come on over this way. This is way better than my little ladder. Hey, Colby, thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Them bees are really high.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a big hive.
Huge. So who's going up to get them?
I am.
Oh, wow, you're crazy. Who's going to be operating it?
I think I will, because she'll be in her bee suit, and I think it'll be hard to use the controls. So if there's a way for me to control it while she's up there, that would probably be best.
Okay, so you're going to do it from down here?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go down here and I'll show you how to use it.
All right.
So it's pretty self-explanatory. You got the start button, you just push this button and then the controls. Once you're extended out, you're gonna really wanna be careful going back and forth because it'll tend to really swing up there and go back and forth, and you don't want her hitting the tree or the bees.
No way, yeah, that wouldn't be safe. The lift that we have is really big. I'm a little nervous about Alicia being in the bucket and me being on the ground. How do I stop it if I need to?
Red button, push it in.
Okay, all right, sounds good.